All right, here's one for the Mustang fans, and it is tastefully done, performance and appearance-wise. It's a 2005 Ford Mustang Coupe. It was actually a SEMA show car, and it's based on Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds, and as you can see, they did a tremendous job making this 05 harken back to the original Eleanor car. Started with the boys at Bass. Pepper gray paint, custom. Fiberglass hood, urethane body moldings, custom side pipes exiting. Let's take a look at the front of this car first off. Shelby hood pins, billet grille. How's that for an authentic look? Underneath the hood, 4.6 liters of pro-charged, intercooled, Diablo-tuned power, 490 horsepower exactly. Of course, the black glossy stripe on that pepper gray. Call this a glass back or a glass roof car. Quarter window treatments, tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as that side glass. All right, still pictures. You'll want to look at this car from every angle: underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us. 507-386-1726. You can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I haven't even really found an imperfection on this. We'll keep walking around and check it out. Great looking wheels with a big brake kit behind it. Brakes have been converted. It does have a X-pipe setup with headers and mufflers, and those all have actually been ceramic coated. It also has lowering springs for that great stance. That is a functioning side exhaust, by the way, by pipes. You can see from front to back, back to front on this car. Outstanding finish. That paint was put on there beautifully. See how they incorporated another brake light up above that rear glass. Of course, the glass roof. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Has custom Shelby E-Edition emblems on it. If you notice that on the grille also. Once again, all those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Over 100 pictures of this car online. Technician did note the brakes are 70% in the front, 90% in the rear. So you're aware of that. There is a little highlight sheet too we'll have in the still pictures mentioning some of the custom things done on this. There's some custom gauges on the interior, some carbon fiber like overlay on the interior, and we're going to check that out now. So we can start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. All right, so here's some of your carbon fiber look overlay. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, Shelby in the door sill, stock 05 seats in nice shape too, leather buckets, power seat over here on the driver's side. Of course, 5-speed manual transmission. There you get an idea of the fiberglass overlay on the dash, steering wheel, center console. Push button start has been added, so you can actually use a push button start if you'd like. We're going to show you that working right now. There's your exact miles, 15,057. Looks like we have a boost gauge, oil pressure. Appears to be a tack readout right there, as well as a tack down here. You hear the whistle. Pro charged wine. Let's go ahead and get these hood pins out. We're going to pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and stick around to the very end of this video. Another good day for Jason. Gets to take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, let's take a look at this fiberglass hood, obviously with the big cowl. There it is. That Pro Charge 4.6 liter custom engine cover with carbon fiber inlay. This nitrous, that is for looks. There's no nitrous hooked up on the car at the moment. Good looking engine bay. Absolutely beautiful custom job. Good looking SEMA car from, what, 0506. All right, still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, that number 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, and in those still pictures you also see a highlight sheet of what was done to this car. So look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 2005 Ford Mustang. This is a Shelby E edition, and E stands for Eleanor. This is a 5-speed manual, and you can hear there's a little bit of a power adder whining under the hood, waiting to go. Such a good sound to this car. The idle, the acceleration, everything about the exhaust note sounds great. We have cold AC blowing. The cruise control works. Stereo sounds good. Everything you could need for a fun car, and all the creature features as well. Very comfortable bucket seats. Our gauges are all working. The fuel gauge shows over half a tank. The temperature gauge is straight up, and we have a boost gauge. We have an oil PSI gauge giving us 60 PSI. Brakes feel good. Nice shifter with a short throw, which makes it even better. The car just wants to be driven. Corner's perfectly flat. I'm not even revving it up. Now, that's under 4,000 RPM. It's got so much more to go. A beautiful car in great condition and very fun to drive. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.